The 2010-2020 Lexus GX460 key fob uses a CR2032 battery. Replacing it is simple and can save you money. You'll need a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, ensure your car is in park and keys are not in the ignition. Make sure to wear gloves to prevent oil contamination of the battery contacts. Locate the seam on your key fob and gently pry it open. Note the orientation of the old battery, positive side up, and remove it. Install the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the key fob back together and test the buttons from a distance. This should take about 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's cover troubleshooting steps and important tips for your Lexus GX460 key fob battery replacement. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, consult your owner's manual for the reprogramming instructions. This usually involves cycling the ignition and pressing the fob buttons in a specific sequence. If you notice moisture inside the fob, fully dry it with a soft cloth before putting in the new battery. Consider replacing the rubber seal to prevent future moisture ingress, which can cause battery drain. Always use quality OEM batteries for optimal performance. Aftermarket brands can sometimes cause intermittent connectivity issues due to voltage inconsistencies. Before installing, check the battery's voltage with a multimeter to ensure it outputs exactly 3 volts. This prevents issues from weak or faulty batteries. If you're still experiencing problems after replacing the battery and trying the troubleshooting steps, it may be time to get a replacement key fob from your Lexus dealer. Finally, remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly at a recycling center or electronics store that accepts lithium batteries.